students. Today we'll begin with the new chapter, that is chapter number 11, problems on measurement. Today we'll start with the new topic. Now there are some points which you have to remember. Now see, I have told you about the units. The units are rupees, centimeter, meter, millimeter. These all are the unit. So we have to use this unit. Which unit? Meter, gram and liter every day to measure length, mass and the capacity respectively. See, मीटर, हम लोग मीटर से क्या करते हैं? हम लोग हमारा हाइट मेजर कर सकते हैं. We are going to measure our material which we are using for making clothes. So all that things we use for measuring the लेंथ फ्रॉम द मीटर. नाउ ग्राम में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम कोई भी कितना किलो है, कितना ग्राम है, भाजी कितना ग्राम, देन 250 ग्राम, 1000 ग्राम, that we can calculate from gram. And liter is used for measuring the capacity. 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter, half liter. These all things we are using in our day to day life. हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में भी यूज होते हैं ना. When mother told you to bring half kg potato, so that time we are using the gram and kg. And if your mother told go to the shop and bring some milk, so milk is denoted in liter. So these all are the units which we are going to use in our day-to-day life. From that only we are going to learn more things regarding the meter, gram and liter. The next is while shopping we use the unit. अगर हम शॉपिंग पे जाते हैं तो हमको क्या लगता है? मनी लगता है. So that is what, which type of unit? It is the unit of rupees and पैसे. वहां पे हम लोग को बोलते थे कितना रुपीस का है, ये टॉय कितने का है? So that time what we are giving? We are giving the rupees, that is 200 rupees, 500 rupees, 50 paise. So that what is that unit? That units are denoted while we are going for a shopping. Now we use units like day, hour and minute to measure time. हम लोग टाइम मेजर करने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? Now only I explain you. 1 hour is equal to how much minute? 60 minutes. Then 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 second, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. These all are the unit which we are using for measuring time. So what is this all? These all are the measurement of a particular thing. Now one more important thing. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. These are the important notes. These all are the important notes which you have to learn and which you have to learn. See here, 1 liter. 1 liter is how much milliliter? 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. 1 kg, 1 किलो मतलब कितना ग्राम होता है? 1000 ग्राम. Then 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer मतलब 1000 meter. 1 meter, 1 meter will convert into 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is how much millimeter? That is 10 millimeter. So this all you need to learn it. You need to learn it and your brain should remember all these things. So have you understood what are the unit and where we are going to use these units? We are going to use in our day-to-day life also. Now, before starting our exercise, I would like to explain you first example sum. From that example sums, you will understood how to solve the sum. Now, the first example, it is given of addition. Now here 37 kilometer 250 meter plus 15 kilometer 950 meter. So in this type of sums, which are the unit it has been used? कौन से unit use किए हैं? Let me know first. What unit have been used here? Jaldi. I want to know the answers from you people only. Which unit has been used here in the first question? Very good, Aniket. The unit which is used is kilometer and meter. Very nice. Students are giving me the right answer. Which unit we have used? We have used the unit like kilometer. So after question there should be a table. Now table में हमको कितने box चाहिए? We want 5 box, 5 rows and 2 column. So in one column what we'll write? We'll write kilometer, and in one column we'll write meter. Clear? First step clear everyone? There are 2 units, that is kilometer and meter. We'll make a table that containing 2 column and 5 rows. So in that first we'll write the unit, that is kilometer and meter. Now the second step is what? The second step, you will leave one line. You will leave one row. एक row पूरा leave करोगे. And the next part is your writing the question. Now first is 37 kilometer 250 meter. Then 15 kilometer 950 meter. It is addition, so you have to use the operation of addition. Then we'll add it. Then what we are going to do it? We are going to add it. Clear? Clear till here? Till here, anybody having doubt how to make the table and how to use all the things while writing or while putting inside the table? First line, your unit line. Second line should be empty. Third line, the question. Fourth line also question. And the last line will be of your answer. Till here, I hope everyone has understood. Now the main thing is what? Now the meter is 250 and 950. तो हमको यहाँ पे add करने. What we have to do? We have to add it. So I'll add here 250 plus 950. 250 plus 950. See, now we'll add 0 plus 0. See, I'm going to add like this. 0 plus 0 will become 0. Then I'll add 5 plus 5. Then what I will add? I'll add 5 plus 5. See, first number ko first number se, second number ko second, from back side. Now 5 plus 5 will become 10. So 0 here, 1 I'll carry over here. Then once again I'll add, what number I'll add? I'll add 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 will become 9 plus 2. Jaldi. Very good. 9 plus 2 will become 11. But वो carry किया है ऊपर, that will add it, so it will become 12. So what I will write here? I'll write here 12. Clear? See, after adding what I got the answer, that is 1200. Now here, what are the next step? What is the next step here? 1200 I got. Now here 1200, this 1200 will bifurcate in kilometer and meter. Will bifurcate in kilometer and meter. Now here 1200 means 1 kilometer 200 meter. Clear here how you are going to bifurcate? 1 kilometer 200 meter. After adding 250 plus 950, we are getting 1200. But this 1200 should be bifurcate in our unit. Which unit? Kilometer and meter. So here will be answer. हम लोग का क्या आंसर होगा? 1 kilometer equal to 200 meter. Now the main thing we add, this 200 will write over here. This 200 will write over here. This one will carry over here in the place of empty space. Clear? In the place of empty space. Now we'll add 7, 5 and 1. Now 7 plus 1 will become 8. 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we'll carry over here 1 and 3. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the last answer we got? That is 53 kilometer, 200 meter. 53 kilometer, 200 meter. This is the final answer. Clear? See, you can add it directly also. Up add directly भी कर सकते हैं, but here measurement. So you have to directly नहीं करोगे. You are going to use the step. So first step is your meter should add. After adding your meter, you will separate it in a kilometer and meter. So 1200, that means it become 1 kilometer 200 meter. Now 200 meter के नीचे हम लोग 200 meter लिखेंगे. Then 1 will remain. See, this one will carry over in the kilometer. So it becomes 7 plus 1, 8, and 8 plus 5 will become 13. So we'll carry over 1 and downward 3. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So our main answer is 53 kilometer, 200 meter. Clear everyone? In this way, you are going to solve the sums. You are not going to solve directly. जो हम लोग directly addition करते हैं वैसे नहीं करेंगे. In this sums, you are going to use all the steps. Follow it. Clear? I think everyone has understood. As you do more sums, you will be clearly understand regarding the sums and the steps. Okay, now our problem set 46 will start. The first question is about rupees and paise. The first question is about rupees and paise. Clear? The यहाँ पे हमने कौन सा unit use किया? Rupees and paise. Same things will start. We'll make the table of 5 rows, 2 columns, and our unit are here rupees and paise. हमारा unit क्या है यहाँ पे? Rupees and paise. चलो, we'll start with the sum. So bifurcation will start with our rupees and paise. Here first column I'll write rupees, and in second column I'll write paise, that is P. Shortcut लिखा है मैंने, P for paise and RS for rupees. Now leave one column because these are the steps where we will add it, we will borrow, जो भी हम borrow करेंगे plus करेंगे वो हम लोग ऊपर लिखेंगे. Then next step is our question. Now here it is 9 rupees 50 paise. Then 14 rupees 60 paise. Add करना है and then start करना है. Now चलो. Now what will be my first step? My first step will be adding 50 and 60. I'll add 50 plus 60. Yes है ना? मुझे ऐड करना है 50 plus 60. 50 plus 60 क्या होगा? 0 plus 0 will become 0. And 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 will become 110. That means 6 plus 5 will become 11. So what it make? It make 110. अभी 110 को हमको किसमें bifurcation करना है? Rupees and पैसे. 110 को we have to bifurcate. Now how many rupees and how many पैसे? चलो बताओ मुझे. 110 means how many rupees and how many पैसे? Very good. Students are giving me the right answer. That is 1 rupees and 10 paise. So I'll write over here 1 rupees 10 paise. Clear? Till here we have understood. Now the next step. Now what I will write in the paise column? Paise column में मैं क्या लिखूंगी? What I will write in the paise column? Yes. Very good. I am going to write in the paise column only 10. Yes, very good. Then 1 जो मेरा rupees बचा है, मैं किधर carry करूंगी? Rupees column में. Rupees column I'll add here 1. So 9 plus 1 will become 10. 10 plus 4 will become 14. 10 plus 4 will become 14. 4 here, 1 carry. Then 1 plus 1 will become 2. So what is our main answer? What is my main answer? My main answer is rupees 24 and rupees 24 10 paise. That is my main answer. Clear everyone? In this way only you will solve rest all the sums. Now I have explained you one example sum and one problem set sum. Now next you people will do your own and I'll ask you randomly. And I ask you, so start doing the second sum. First copy down this first sum in your notebook. Everyone will copy down this first sum in their notebook. I'll wait for 1-2 minutes. Now the second question is 6 centimeter, 5 millimeter plus 7 centimeter, 9 millimeter. Chalo, now you people will start solving. After that, I'll unmute anyone. Chalo, jaldi. I have given you 2 minutes for completing this sum. Chalo, let me make the screen bigger. Chalo, what are the unit here?
Centimeter and millimeter.
Very good. So I will write centimeter and millimeter.
Yes.
Centimeter and millimeter. Okay. Mute yourself. Next is Tanisha. I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
The next step. What I will write the next step?
6 centimeter in centimeter column, 7 centimeter into centimeter column.
Then
Next, 5 millimeter in millimeter column and 9 millimeter in millimeter column.
Where should I write, here or here?
In first leave one column.
So this will be the second step. Clear? Leave one column, then I should write over here. Okay? Okay, thank you. Mute yourself.
Okay.
Swara, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now you tell me what I will write after leaving the box.
6 in the centimeter column.
6 in the centimeter column. Then
5 in the millimeter column.
5 in the millimeter column. Okay, very good. Mute yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Next is Adarsh. I have unmuted you. Adarsh RK.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What will be the next step?
Teacher, we will write 7 in the centimeter column,
Okay. 7 in the centimeter column and
9 in the millimeter column.
9 in the millimeter column. Okay. Chalo. Mute yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Now next is Krutika. Krutika, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, beta. Now what will be the next step?
Teacher, then we give addition sign.
एक minute. We have to give addition sign. Very good. We have to give addition sign. Okay. Next.
Then, teacher, out of the column 5 plus 9.
Okay. Here I will write 5 plus 9. Okay. Thank you, beta. Mute yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Yakshika, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Next step क्या होगा? 5 plus 9.
5 plus 9, 14.
5 plus 9, 14. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Mute yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Next is Atharva. I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Now 5 plus 9 equal to 14. Now what will be my step?
5 plus 5, we count 1.
Huh? 5 plus 5? 5 plus 9 is equal to 14.
Yes.
After this step, see, we have completed first step. Now इसके बाद का steps क्या होना चाहिए?
Answer.
Answer, directly answer.
When count and then we give answer.
No. Just listen, mute yourself and listen what others are telling. Manasri Mane, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
You tell me what will be the next step.
We'll convert 14 into 1 centimeter,
And
4 millimeters.
very good. So this 14 millimeter will convert into 1 centimeter 4 millimeter. Very good. Right, nice, beta. Now next, mute yourself. Harsha, I have unmuted you.
Yes,
चलो, now we've got 1 centimeter 4 millimeter. चलो अभी मैं क्या करूंगी? What will be the my next step? What will be my next step?
6 plus 7.
6 plus 7? 6 plus 7 मैं directly वहां पे क्यों जाऊं? Why I should go there? Just listen, I'll give another one chance. You just listen. Okay, mute yourself and listen the student.
1 centimeter. 1
एक
centimeter and
Harsha,
yes.
just listen. Just wait a minute.
Yes.
Tell me now one more time. Harsha,
Yes.
बोलो next step क्या होगा?
1 centimeter in centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 millimeter in millimeter.
Where I should write?
1 centimeter in centimeter.
1 centimeter in centimeter. Here in the upper one. Here or here? ऊपर या नीचे?
Down.
Down. Is it right? You're telling down. No, that is not right. You listen, Just be concentrated on the studies, Harsha. Mute
Yes.
yourself now. Arnav, I have unmuted you now. Arnav Ghanade.
Yes, teacher.
You tell me the steps after this for 1 centimeter and 4 millimeter. इसके बाद का स्टेप यहाँ तक हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया है. Till here we have completed. Now after this step, what step I will write? Don't know?
Teacher, 5 plus 9.
5 plus 9 we have done na here 14. Then 14 we have converted into centimeter and millimeter.
Yes.
2 steps we have done. Last steps हमारा बाकी है. Last steps क्या था? Just wait, Arnav. Mute yourself and listen the other student who is telling me the answers. Huh? Avnesh, I have unmuted you.
Yes, yes, teacher.
You tell me the next step.
Teacher,
Hmm.
in millimeters, you will write 4.
Very good. In millimeter, we'll write 4.
Four.
And next,
And 1 at the top of the 6.
1 will carry over here. That will become 1. Okay. Now next last step batao. We'll add all centimeter. What it comes? 14. Very nice. What it comes? 14. See students, last step क्या होता है? Whenever we are bifurcating 1 centimeter and 4 millimeter, first centimeter should be carry up and millimeter का जो भी number है that should be written down. Okay? Avnish, mute yourself. Pranjal, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Now you tell me the last step.
14 centimeter, 4 millimeter.
Very good. 14 centimeter, 4 millimeter. Very good. That is the right answer which you people are telling. Clear, everyone?
Thank you, teacher.
Yes. Chalo, now who have not done, welcome beta and mute yourself. Whoever has not done, write it down fast. Okay, now start doing the third sums. Jaldi. Everyone will start doing the third sum, that is 22 meter, 50 centimeter plus 25 meter, 75 centimeter. Start solving the third sum. Now the third sum I'm going to solve and you people will cross check the answers with your answer. Clear? You people will cross check. Chalo. Now I'll start here are the two unit, that is meter and centimeter. Then I have to leave the box and I'll write 22 meter, 50 centimeter, 25 meter and 75 centimeter. Then add. So next step क्या होगा मेरा 50 plus 75. See, I am doing here. You should cross check the sums whether your and my answers are right. So 50 plus 75. 5 plus 0 will become 5 and 7 plus 5 will become 12. So what I got? I got 125. 125 means it will be 1 meter 25 centimeter. 125 centimeter means it will be 1 meter 25 centimeter. Now 25 I'll write over here, 25. 1 I will carry over here. So 2 plus 1 will become 3 and 3 plus 5. 2 plus 1 will become 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So I'll write over here 8. And 2 plus 2 will become 4. So your answer and my answers, is it right? Just write in front, just put a tick mark in front of you whether my answers and your answers are right. Very good. Yes, students are telling that your answers and my answers are matching. That means 48 meter 25 centimeter is the answers. Very nice. Students are giving me the right answers, that their answers and my answers are matched. Clear?